You hear that?
Maybe this trip into the woods is exactly what we need to get back on track. It means a lot to me.
Sure thing.
Well, who do we have here?
This is Larry.
What a fine-looking dog.
We're gonna be staying in the area.
Not just passing through.
Baby, I'm just an animal.
Oh, Jack. It's terrific.
Howdy, ma'am. My ancestors believed that the spirits of wolf and man were very closely united. And the fact that wolves were domesticated kind of supports the idea that we've been kindred spirits since the beginning.
Please! Yes. Hi, we need a doctor.
What is it? What's the matter?
It's my husband. He's been attacked. He's hurt.
Attack.
When did you say this happened?
A couple hours ago.
Life for you is about to change.
Do you want any veggies?
No.
There's some things that are going to happen to you, and you're not going to be able to understand them.
Understand you're not in the city anymore. We live a little closer to the land out here. Being livestock people gives us a bit more sanguine view of death. Animals die, people die. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's not. As fantastic and crazy as it might sound,
What the hell is going on?
How should I know?
what attacked you a couple of nights ago is
Cut.
what you might call a werewolf.
You don't understand.
This is your shirt.
It's wonderful.
Stay away from me.
The alpha wolf probably sensed Jack as a threat.
Jack, no, please. For better or for worse, right?
It's gonna get a lot worse.
Maybe he caught something on the wind.